Welcome back to the channel. If you are struggling to get your graphics oriented correctly in Inkscape, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to teach you how to rotate an image in Inkscape using several different methods, ranging from quick shortcuts to precise professional adjustments. Whether you are a beginner or a veteran, these techniques will streamline your workflow significantly. Before we dive into the steps, please hit that like button if this tutorial helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more graphic design guides. Let's get started. First things first, you need to load your asset. Go to File, and then Import, or just use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I to bring your file onto the canvas. Once your image is placed, ensure the Selection tool is active by pressing S on your keyboard. To perform a free rotation, simply click on your image once to highlight it, which brings up the scaling arrows. Now, click that image a second time. You will notice that the straight arrows change to curved rotation arrows. Click on any of these curved corner handles and drag your mouse to rotate the image freely in any direction you like. If you need to make a more controlled movement, you can use constrained rotation by holding down the Control key while dragging those corner handles. This will force the image to snap at 15-degree increments. For those of you who need a quick 90-degree turn, select the image and look at the Tool Controls bar at the top of your workspace. You will see rotation icons there. Alternatively, you can save time with keyboard shortcuts. Press the left bracket key to rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise, or the right bracket key to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Sometimes you need an exact degree for a project. For precise rotation, open the Transform panel by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and M. Navigate to the Rotate tab in this window, enter your specific degree amount, and hit Apply. Beyond just these simple turns, you can change the rotation center by dragging the small crosshair that appears in the middle of your object when the rotation handles are active. Moving this point changes the axis of rotation entirely. Also remember that if you need to mirror your work, you can press H for a horizontal flip or V for a vertical flip. To reset everything, just open the Transform panel and set your angle back to 0. I hope these tips make your design process much smoother. If this video helped you conquer Inkscape, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.